Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an algebraic equation question, and with that in mind, let's dive straight in. So we're going to do 1.1.2 in this video, and I'm going to write it out up here. So it's 4x squared plus 3x minus 5, and the hint here is they've said to us correct to 2 decimal places. So when you get something like that, we know that we need to use our quadratic equation in order to calculate it. So what is our quadratic equation? Well, we know x from our quadratic equation is going to be minus b plus minus, okay, b squared minus 4ac over 2 times a. Okay, so that gives us our quadratic equation. And now we're going to use our a, our b, and our c in order to solve for x. So b is going to be 3, so the 3 goes in there. And then we've got b squared, so that's 3 squared, so I'm going to do 9 straight away. And then I've got 4ac, so 4 times a is going to give us 16. 4 times a is going to give us 16. And then times the minus 5 is going to give us, so 16 times minus 5 gives us minus 80, and there's a double negative there, so that becomes positive 80. And that is all over 2a, which is going to be 8. Let's simplify further, so it's going to be minus 3 plus minus, and that is going to be 89 over 8. So now we know x, okay, x is either equal to, so x is equal to either minus 3 plus the root of 89 over 8, or x is equal to minus 3 minus the root of 89 over 8. So now we can plug those into our calculator to get our answer. So it's going to be minus 3 plus the root of 89 divided by 8, and that gives us 0.80. So there are our 2 decimal places as requested. And then let's look at minus 3. So we're going to say minus 3 minus the root of 89, divide that by 8, and that's going to give us minus 1.55. So that's our 2 decimal place answer there as well. Really good job. Really important to know how to work this quadratic equation because it will definitely come up. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.